Okay, welcome to the Daily Outlook. Tried to hold off as long as possible and not much setting up. I told you that after big moves like last week, the market will just probably go into consolidation. Things won't be that clear. So it's good to preserve capital, but nonetheless, we'll have a look at a few things. Aussie New Zealand, we were looking at that. We've had this really big spike down. Let's took out this swing low. Looking for these highs to go, but I need a break above this support and resistance. You can see bounce here, and then resistance here. So anything like that, and we're getting along. Stop below here. Should be safe. Yeah, we'll see how that unfolds. A bit of messy price action, but from the monthly point of view, we have taken out this low, and I think we're going to get a little bit of a bounce, especially around this level. So, which we've got a lot of shorts are trapped with this big move down, and then the whole way back up. So I think this is just going to squeeze higher and higher, and yeah, we'll be sitting on board waiting for it. Can't really use the Monday range in this one because it's far too big. So we'll just try and get a support and resistance play and keep it safe below here. Euro Aussie is taking out quite a big swing. Big key level here. Be interesting to see how the week closes, if we close bullish or bearish. For sure, if we get below Monday's range, there's a trade there. It's a long way away. It's a long way away. If we fail to make a higher high, that'll be a break in market structure also. If we start breaking down below these lows. So we're still being patient, waiting for that to play out. We do have some thin candles that we could come down and fill in. But nonetheless, it's not looking like it's going to be an exciting week, especially after last week. And that's why I was trying to hold off to see if anything would become clear, but nothing really. The other thing that we were looking at was dollar CAD. We were looking for a break below Monday's range. Now it has come up, took out last week's high, and it just seems to be sitting above that. So I'm not really interested in that unless we start breaking down Wednesday and Thursday to get involved in that, because I have no interest in playing this to the upside. Just wait for the breakdown if we get it. That was my bias, and yeah, I'll stick to it. So regarding mechanical strategy, nothing setting up either after the good week last week, so I'll just put out another video tomorrow morning for you guys if anything develops during the Asian session. But as of yet, nothing has triggered, which is okay. It's not too bad after we made so much last week. If there's any pairs you want me to look at or go over, just hit me up in the DMs or an email. Aussie yen actually has become a little bit interesting as well. We have this key low here on the weekly. If you watch this monthly level as well, quite a lot of support in here. Could be enough to get a little bounce. Would use Monday's range if we break out of it again. Let me just put that in. So if we come up, H1 close, you can see already they've struggled to close above Monday's range. See this wicked candle, so a close above that would be quite significant. You could play it up into here, thin candle. I do like Aussie yen as a trade to the upside, so plenty there to think about, but nothing really setting up as of yet. So if anything pops up, I'll maybe post a video out during the day. Have an interview at 1 o'clock with Forex Analytics. So I'll be back after. About two or three. So maybe try and get something out in the morning if anything develops over Asia.